Hello everyone. Hello everyone. In this video, I am talking to you about the Blum Airdrop eligibility. So I'm giving you the guide on the eligibility, how to qualify for the Blum token airdrop. The Blum airdrop offers an opportunity for users to earn Blum tokens by actively participating in the Blum ecosystem. To be eligible for the airdrop, users must meet specific criteria designed to reward genuine engagement and deter fraudulent activities. Now, if you go on your Blum on the mini app on Telegram and you click on to check eligibility, you will see whether you're eligible or whether you're not eligible. If you're not eligible, it will show you that you still have time to qualify for the Blum airdrop. Now, what are the eligibility criteria? There are 4 things that Blum wants you to do to be eligible. Number 1 is that you have to accumulate at least 100,000 Blum points. So you earn this by engaging in different tasks like farming, like doing the drop game, and completing tasks to participate in various tasks listed in the M page. Number 2 criteria is to obtain at least 750 meme points, MP, or complete proof of activity, that's POA. That means meme points or earn MPs by trading or creating tokens on MemePad. Then launching a token can earn approximately 500 MPs with additional MPs awarded if the token gains liquidity and is listed on decentralized exchanges. Then trading activities also contribute to MP accumulation. Then proof of activity is also involved. If unable to meet the MP requirements, complete proof of activity by connecting your Ton wallet to the Blum mini app and paying a nominal fee. Now, number 3 criteria is to refer at least 2 new users. So you refer 2 new users to join. When you do that, you qualify. Then number 4 is that you have to ensure your account is not flagged as a bot or multi-account. That's CBIL. That means you're not a bot or multi-account. And I can see that this is not is flagged for me, and I'm still going to find out why that is the case. So Blum employs measures to detect and disqualify fraudulent accounts and fraudulent users. You have to maintain genuine engagement and avoid using bots or multiple accounts to manipulate the system. So these are the eligibility criteria for the Blum airdrop, which the date of the listing is going to announce soon. So let's keep on keeping on. So the time is not yet time, but they are preparing. So just do a thorough check and see how you fare, and then we can move on from that. I will talk to you in the next one. Until then, please subscribe to this channel, share this video, the link of this video, like this video, and keep coming back for more. Let me have your comments in the comment section below, or if you have any question, I will respond to your question within 24 hours of you posting. Then on this channel, I teach you how to make money both online and offline. This video popping up by the side from my channel is the next one.